Most students make a mistake while plotting this point. They go up first and then right, which is wrong. Correct way is always x first and then y. This point is 2, 3. In this video, we will understand the use of coordinates and solve NCERT questions step by step. We will start with the exercise set 1.1. The given figure shows Raymond's room with points OABC marking its corners. The x and y axes are marked in the figure. The point O is the origin. The first problem is, if D1 R1 represent the door to the room, Rayan's rooms, how far is the door from the left wall, that is y axis. So this is D1 point, this is R1 point. So this D1 R1 represent the door of the room. Now the question is, how far is the door from the left wall from the y axis. So D1 represent the one corner of the door. The door from the y axis, this is y axis. So from the y axis, the door at a distance of 8 feet. So the answer is 8 feet. Continuation question, how far is the door from the x axis? Actually the door lies on the x axis. This is x axis. This is D1 R1 is a door. So the door lies on the x axis. So how far is the door from the x axis? The answer for this question is 0. Second question is, what are the coordinates of D1? This is point D1. The point D1 lies on the x axis at the point x equal to 8. So the coordinate of D1 is 8, 0 is the answer for this question. The third problem, if R1 is the point 11.5, 0, how wide is the door? The coordinate of D1 is 8, 0. R1 is 11.5, 0. Question is, how wide is the door? So we should find the distance of these 2 points. Actually, these 2 points lie on the x-axis, which means lie on the horizontal line. So subtract the x values, you will get the answer for this question. So 11.5 minus 8. Difference between these two x coordinates is 3.5 feet. So the width of the door is 3.5 feet. The continuation question, do you think this is a comfortable width for the room door? So 3.5 feet is the, yes, very comfortable width for the room door because it's a very wide 3.5 door. So it's a very comfortable. And next one, if a person in a wheelchair wants to enter the room, will he or she be able to do so easily? Yes, because the wheelchair width is less than 3.5 feet. Definitely. That's why a person can be able to enter into the room easily. So this is the answer. So B1 0, 1.5, B2 0, 4. These two represent the ends of the bathroom door. Is the bathroom door narrower or wider than the room door? Now we can find the width of the bathroom door. So these 2 points 0, 1.5 and 0, 4. Actually these 2 points lie on the vertical line. So we can find the difference of the y values. So distance of B1, B2 is difference between the y values 4 minus 1.5, which is 2.5. So width of the bathroom door is 2.5 feet. But already we found the width of the room door. The room door width is 3.5 feet. Question is the bathroom door narrower or wider? Our bathroom door is narrower than the room door because which is less than the width of the room door. This one we completed the problems from exercise set 1.1. In the next video we will continue with the exercise 1.2 set. Thank you.